The Lexington Fayette County Health Department is concerned about a whooping cough outbreak. The start of the new school year is just a week away.
Health officials say now is the time to get ahead of it. Dejiana Wilson has more on the efforts to keep the contagious cough out of the classroom.
With school comes lots of fun, friends, learning, and extracurricular activities. However, what isn't so enjoyable is when sickness is in the air.
We have had more whooping cough this year than I have seen in a long time.
Whooping cough is just one of the several illnesses that are on the rise. The Lexington Fayette County Health Department reported 5 new cases in the county this week. Officials say students are at a higher risk of getting it and other infections while in school.
There are going to be multitudes of germs this year. We have whooping cough now. COVID is on the rise. We will have flu starting in the fall. RSV in the winter.
Fox 56 News chief medical contributor Dr. Ryan Stanton says it's important for people to be vaccinated and to spot early signs of infection so antibiotics can be started.
And the key is it does shorten the infection, but also, most importantly, decreases that risk of spread to others.
Debbie Bowen, Health Services Coordinator for Fayette County Public Schools, says students from all grades are being impacted, along with staff. However, there are a few measures they are taking to prevent a bad day at school.
If we have a lot of disease in a particular school, we will send a cleaning crew in, and we have some not just antibacterial but antiviral cleaners that we will use.
Bowen encourages people to be aware of what illnesses are trending and to always wash your hands, prioritize hygiene practices, and even use air purifiers while at home so students can stay in school. In Lexington, Dejiana Wilson, Fox 56 News.